gonna be a video of me taking a picture of this dog named Heinz. Apparently, she jumps on me when I go diving, so you guys are about to see this. Okay. First, I'll give you a little look at our video. I wonder how that looks. Oh well. Yes, okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, that was... Hey, watch it. Well, hope you guys liked that video. Anyways, there's gonna be more videos coming sometime because I know me and Mom skipped a few days of videos, but it's because my mom had this big job to do, so yeah.